Hi there folks, I'm your digital marketing cowboy, and today we're going to be talking about A/B testing. And for that I'm going to be covering a few very important points. Third, first, and second,
and second.
Hi guys, Ronny here, just fooling around with that video. So today we're going to be doing A/B testing. Now A/B testing is something they do in the marketing. So they put out an ad, change a little word, and then put out another ad and see which one gets more clicks. So today we're going to be doing something revolutionary. We are going to be doing A/B testing with video. So this is going to be great guys, this is going to blow your mind. You know, like the Matrix where they have the red pill and the blue pill, this is going to be like taking both pills at the same time. Alright. Let's dive onto the computer. Okay guys, so here we are now back in the editor, and this is the clip that we started with today, and it didn't really make much sense, did it? I mean, he's trying to make a point, but it didn't really come across, did it? So, the great thing about this video editing is that you can actually chop things up. So, as you can see, I've chopped the clip up in tiny pieces. And because I'm using a green screen, I can actually transition between two pieces very easily. Now let's have a look. So this now is the background. Let's shift that up. Then you can see that DMC is on the front. So the transition that we're going to make is only here. As you can see, these are two different clips, but there's just a tiny difference. Now what we even can do then is get a crossfade here and put that on there like that. And now it's even less obvious. Look at that. And now that is beautiful, ain't it? You didn't even see that I went from one clip to another. Now let's get the background back. There we go. Now a very important thing about A/B testing or split testing is that you make small changes, make small variations, get small pieces, cut them out and put other pieces in. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is move some things around, shift some things, delete some things, and then I'll show you the final clip. Alright, bye bye. I'm going to be covering a few very important points. First, second, and third. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.